At Frontpoint, we believe smart home security should have it all.
In 2019, we had a very limited e-commerce role. E-commerce has become a significant piece of the business and is the future of the business. Echidna is a premier partner of ours. We work with them to develop our website. We did a migration from Sitecore over to Magento while we were doing a full redesign. So we did it all at the same time. And oh, by the way, we did that in the fourth quarter. That is indicative of our relationship with Echidna. That flexibility that they have while not disrupting the business is key. That they understand where we want to go, how we want to get there. And there's no question when we're coming up to re-up on our contract that, we're just continue going on with Echidna because such great work, such value that we get for the work that is done. It's really not comparable.